Hello and very warm welcome to Swift Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create autocomplete search in Swift 4. So let's start. Open up your Xcode and create a single view application template project. I named it autocomplete search, so you can create a single view application template project for yourself. And for the autocomplete, we means like the intelligence. Suppose I write something and look at here, like we write here create IB action. So this is the autocomplete as you can see, this IB action, IB design, IB inspectable. So it's just coming as the auto completion. Okay, so in this case it's intelligence, but we will consider it as search. So you are aware of this thing. So we will going to create the same thing in Swift for today, that is autocomplete search. So for this we need to create the UI part first. So open your main.storyboard, and here in the view controller we will change the view controller background color to this here, and we will drag a UI text field which will act as our search bar. And here the constants will be 0, 0 will top, and 0 is the leading, trailing is 0, and height will be 50. Okay, so here is the height, and now this is our search bar. So let's make it correction now, and the done key will be done. Now we need UI table view. UI table view will be here, and here we will display the lists and then the search results. So here we will say typical search bar, and 0 will be the leading, 0 trailing, and 0 from the bottom. Okay, so now we need the IB outlets for the same. So we assistant editor here, click it here and just create the IB outlet. So here we will say it's new referencing outlet, drag and drop here and say txt search bar, and here we will say new referencing outlet, and here we will say tbl country list, and we have our outlets done. So now it's time to code and make it like this. Let me make it bigger so that you can clearly see it here. So here we have our IB outlets. Okay, so first we need to create an array. Suppose we have an array of countries, so we say countries and is of type string, and here it is, we have array, and here we will set our tbl country list dot delegate equals to self, and tbl country list dot data source is equals to self. Okay, and here we will implement those. So UI table view data source and UI table view delegate goes here, and here we will create a mark, and here UI table view data source. Okay, and here's a table view number of rows in section. Here we will return countries dot count, and now here we say table view cell for row and index path. So here we say where cell, and here we say table view dot q reusable cell with identifier, we say country, and here we say if cell is equals to nil. If cell is nil, then allocate the cell. Okay, here say UI table view cell and style dot file is the same as above. So we'll pass here country and here we will say return our cell. So cell is required, so we will target exclamation mark, so unwrapped it. For its build display, need to change to table view cell 4. Cell was moved, is about to draw a cell, so here it is. Table view cell 4 row, add index path. Detail the reference is moved from the table. Others commit the insertion, and here this is our delegate. So here okay, so here it is, and here we say cell dot text label dot text is equals to countries, and here we say index path, that whatever countries here. So here we have done with this. So now let's add some countries to our here. So country here it's a Australia, copy it, and India, South Africa, Ghana, China, USA, then Canada, and we say United Kingdom, and Germany, and Russia. There are more countries like New Zealand, Saudi Arabia, and lastly let's put one more, and then we will run the app. So here it is Yemen, and now run the app on iPhone 10 simulator, and you will see the list of these countries right now. So here our build is succeeded, and the simulator will launch in few seconds. So for the first time it will take some time, for since then let's now we need one more time to search. So txt search bar dot. So here our simulator launch, so let's see first. And here you can see the list of the countries. Now in order to search those, let's see how we can create autocomplete. So this is add target and say search, and action will be select, and here for search records, and here we have records and dot editing. We will not editing changed, so whenever something so it's editing. So here it is editing change, attach making an editing change in UITextField. So editing change, so whenever editing change we will use such. So here we have that objc function, and here we have search records. So here we will say txt field, type UITextField, and this is our method that we are going to use. And for this let's say country list, and here we will where temp country, so that we can store. So it's also of type string equals to array. So so here it is. Let's say or temp countries, or say original countries, you can say list, and let's add those countries to here. So for str in countries original, now what we have is there created, it's a original country list dot append, and it's a str, or you can say CONT country usefulness. So here we have, and now now we have this. Now let's code the countries. So let's see, first we'll say self dot countries dot remove all, as we will remove all the objects, and then we'll check if text field dot text dot count is not equals to 0, then we will perform search, otherwise we will fill up all the lists. So here we say copy this code and paste in the else block, as we will going to fill all the countries that are in our original countries list to our country array, and here we say tbl country list dot reload data. Okay, now here if text field text is count is not equals to 0, it's countries array, what's the name it, countries, sorry, countries. So this is countries, sorry for the spell mistake. So if our text field that is searching text count is not equals to 0, then what we will do, we will search. So here we will say for country in original country list, okay, let a range is equals to country dot lowercase. So lowercase is greater, but we have also method case insensitive option. So here we will say a range of string protocol, and here we will say our text field dot text, okay, and compare option is say dot case insensitive. So here it is case insensitive, and range will be nil, and locale also is nil. Okay, now what we have range. So here it's giving an error, so string is not unwrapped, so we have to wrap it here, or otherwise we can say if let str country is equals to, or let's name it country to search is equals to text field text, then do this here, make it like this, and move here and just add country to search. So, okay, country dollar is nil, and then we have, so here we will check if range is not equals to nil, then we have our code. So we will say self dot countries dot append, and we will say append our country, because we are searching country here, and then okay, finally we have here reload data, so it will work, and let's see if it works. So I'm running the app right now, hopefully it will build successfully. So it's will succeeded and we don't have any error. That's a great result for ourselves. And here, so let's have a tap here, and I will type I, and here you can see the countries which contains I are coming. So I say N, and here say India is coming, China is coming, and United Kingdom is coming. And here say I say India, so it will come India, and then I did it's coming, and it shows all this. So now when user press, we have dismissed the keyboard. So what we do, txt search bar dot delegate is equals to okay, and here we have UI text field delegate, and here we will say mark UI text field delegate is equals to text field should return after that you process the pressing of return button. So here we say return true, and here we will say txt search bar reassign first response. Let's see, and let's run the code and see if it's working or not. Sorry, and here I'm searching, and when I press done it goes back. So now one of our guests who are watching our videos are required that whenever we type on tap here, it will navigate to detail screen. Okay, so let's create the detail screen too, and here let's say we say new file and Cocoa touch class, press next, and here we will say UI view controller, and here the detail view controller. Okay, next, and here we have wait, and here main.storyboard, and let me do this, and here UI view controller. Okay, drag and drop it here, and here the view controller scene, and go to here and add detail view controller. I'm going to use segues, so I will put here storyboard ID, and for this we need UI navigation controller 2, and here we have UI navigation controller, and it has a root view controller, so I will delete this, and the navigation controller, here select this, navigation bar is hidden, is initial view controller, and goes to here, and here we have root view controller, so we will set our view controller as root view controller. So here you can see that this is our storyboard, and it's look like this. Let's make this, and here, so here it is, and here it's our detail view controller, or we can see navigation bar on, so that we need back button. Okay, so goes here and show navigation bar here, and we have our detail view controller 2. So here open up your view controller.swift, and here we need a delegate. Let me make it bigger. Here we have table view did select row at index path. So here we'll say table view, so we will deselect it, deselect row at index path will be this, animated will be true, and here say let that vc is equal to self dot storyboard dot initiate view controller. So initiate view controller will identify this, and here as detail view controller, and we'll pass detail view controller, and here we will say self dot navigation controller dot push view controller that animated will be true. And now we need a label, so that we will show it here, open main.storyboard, and here UI label. Okay, so here let's make it this 150 from the top, 10 and 10, and add constants, and increase its font. Okay, and center. Okay, and let's make an IB outlet for this. Okay, and here it is, detail view controller.swift, and here we have our label goes here, and new referencing outlet, and here's a LBL detail. Oops, we need to create it like this, it's making it a little more complex, and here it is. So here we have our detail, and here we'll say at that IB outlet week where LBL detail of type UI label. So we bind it using UI storyboard. So this is another way here, and then you have to open your main.storyboard, and here it is. So double click on here, and here LBL detail. So connect this. Okay, so one way. Now open one view controller.swift. So here we have now what we can say that vc.lvl.text is equals to countries, and here we will say index path dot arrow, and let's run the app and see if we have our selected country on our detail screen or not. So here the navigation bar is in, so here let's also set the title of navigation bar, and here it will look nicer. Dot title is equals to, and here is auto complete search, and here run the app now. The app is running and it's opening up the simulator. So here autocomplete search, and here we have now let's say Ghana, so G H A, and if she said, and I pass United Kingdom here, and it's not gone, didn't navigate it. So do we have this method that's called, oh it's deselect, sorry, it's not, it's deselect, not, it will be did select, so that's why it's not, that's called, sorry for those. So did select is used whenever we want to know the selection made in the table view. So let's say, and here we'll say C, and here let's say China, I select China, and here it's breakpoint coming up, and here it is, and here the so unwrapping of optional, so I think the label is still nil. Yes, it's nil, so this will not work here. We need to access it here. So let's say make a property that is str country name, and we'll copy this and goes to detail view, and here we say where this is equals to this, and here we will say lbl detail dot text is equals to str country name. So now here we have its error, and now let's run the app, and let's see if it works fine right now or not. So it's running, and let's search IN, oops, that's IN, and done. And here I will tap on China, so here it's China, I guess flag, I select United Kingdom is coming, and here I select India is coming, and now let's remove this, and here it is, let's start Ghana, and Ghana is coming. So this is a small tutorial where we run how to do autocomplete search. So here this is Australia and Saudi Arabia, because AU is coming in both countries. So this is a small tutorial where you learn how to create autocomplete search in Swift 4. So if you like this tutorial, then please give it a thumbs up and do share this video. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, then please subscribe our channel, as we will bring more tutorials on Swift 4 related to iOS app development. Thanks for watching. Have a nice time. Bye for now.